welcome back. Well, got the passenger side head on. I kind of got interrupted by a neighbor, and the tin work stopped by, so I'm recording that, but got the head surface clean. We got the bolt holes cleaned out. I made the sloppy mechanic style, what do you call it? Thread cleaner. This actually worked really good. Put a nice groove in the original bolt, cleaned it out real nice. Because I don't have, nor did Taylor have an M11 by a 1.5 cap, so we innovated and made that. So I'm going to tighten these down. Looks like the first sequence is 25 foot-pounds, the second is 50, and the final is 70 foot-pounds. Okay, welcome back. All right, so we got the passenger side head on. We're putting the driver's side head on. I got all the studs in. That sucked. If you saw, I used zip ties for the ones in the back because they're impossible to get in because of the master cylinder. I did use these tools from Cobalt to get the studs tightened in there. Those are nice. It would be nice if there was a ball end on that, but oh well. Studs are in there tight. We're going to put the washers in. Washers have like a serrated edge on the bottom. That goes on the head. That prevents it from spinning. So yeah, we're going to, if I can get it focused, I'm going to put these on. Spec sheet says to lubricate them. So let's put them on. And as I put them on, I try to get a little bit on my fingers, all right? And then I'll grab the threads, make sure I lubricate the threads too. So I have to lubricate the threads and put the nuts on. Now I did clean these off with brake clean. Get all the anti-corrosion paste. It's like a sticky paste they put on it so it doesn't rust. Get all that off. Got all the washers on. Let's get the bolts on. All right. Put the nuts on. Yeah, we got a new camera, so we're testing it out. Anyways, the new nuts. Put some Molly on there. Much room to work on in there. Make sure you get all these surfaces lubed up nice and the threads lubed so that you get an accurate torque reading. Alright, last one. It's a hard one to get to. Alright. Let's take these gloves off. Let's torque them down. With my zip gun, so it doesn't take forever. I love this little guy. It's in the tight little areas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the back, and 10 up front. Alright, clean the Molly off my socket here. Okay, ARP says torque sequence 1 through 10, 25 foot-pounds. Then the second go around is 50, and the final is 70. So, let's set the torque run to 25. I'm currently at 70 because that's what I did the fastener side head on. Loosen it up. We are at 25 pounds exactly. Number 1, middle top. Two. 3, 4 on the back, 5 up top, 6 in the front, 7 up front, 8 in the back, 9 9 up top on the back. And final 10 in the front bottom. Alright, it's time to bring it up. Next go is 50 foot-pounds. Okay. Starting on 1 in the middle. 2. 3. Going back. 5. Halfway there. 6 bottom, front. I'm gonna feel this in the morning. 7. 8 in the back. 9 in the back. 10 up front. Last one. Alright, let's crank her to 75. And 3 Ugga-Duggas, right? You sloppy guys say 75. Lock her in. Alright, 1 on the top. One. Tight out. 2. 3. A bit of leverage here. 5. 6. 7. 8 back. 9 in the back. Last one, 10. All right. Now what I like to do, one more pass, just to make sure. Starting on 1. All right. 2. 3. 4. 7. 9. And the last one. 10. All right. All right. So we got the heads on, studs in, MLS gaskets on, everything's torqued. It was a long day, but we got a big chunk done. Waiting on stainless steel exhaust manifold bolts to show up. We'll get those in. Those are easy to get to. You just got a cube with a K member now. But that concludes this episode. Next day or two, we'll work on putting the cams in, putting the new chains on, all the drivetrain, or the valve train, and we'll go from there. We got a lot to do. So thanks for watching. This is Fix It Bad.